11. Same idea, we'll write the equation, then we'll solve for x. We'll force it to use x, no problem. 4 times the sum of double some number plus 1 is 11. What is the number? Okay, well, let's just start out here. It says 4 times the sum of double some number plus 1 is 11. So, and they kind of use the word sum here twice, right? Sum and plus. And we know that is addition. But notice here in the beginning, it says 4 times that sum. So we got to take that sum, and this comes back to the order of operations. We would have to take the sum and then multiply it by 4. 4 times the sum. So this is when you're going to see parentheses, and there really isn't. I mean, they can be worded slightly differently sometimes, so that there would be no parentheses. In that case, it would be like 4 times the number, or the sum of 4 times the number and 1 or something like that, okay? But this one, it's 4 times the sum. If you see that, even if it said 4 times the difference, the only difference with that would be that you'd have subtraction there, okay? But you still have the parentheses. So it's 4 times the sum of what? Well, double some number, so we got a double some number, so that's double would be 2. Of course, if we saw triple, that'd be 3. I don't think that ever goes as high as quadruple or higher, but double, okay? Plus 1. Okay, there's double some number plus 1, and that's 4 times that sum right there is, so that's equal, is 11. Okay, so there we go. We got a nice equation going for us right there, and that's the equation that we need to solve for the number. And again, so you're going to have to type this in. You're going to have to use parentheses to type it in. But yeah, you're going to need those. All right, so this one has some distribution for us, no problem. We can work with distribution by distributing this 4 into the parentheses. 4 groups of 2 x's would be 8 x's. And then 4 groups of 1 would be 4, positive 4, by the way. So this still equals 11. All right, so we're down to a 2-step equation. Our x's are all on the left, so I don't want that plus 4 with it. So I'm going to zero that out by subtracting 4 from both sides. Zero that out just like it did. We'll drop the 8x, which now equals 11 minus 4, 7. And then divide both sides by the coefficient, 8, to make it a phantom 1. Phantom 1x equals 7/8. So let's check. Let me go to my calculator and check this, okay? So yep, the calculator shows us 4 parentheses 2 times 7/8 plus 1. Enter, yeah, that gives us 11. So that's a true statement. So last thing here, yeah, we'll just box these in. Right, we got 2 parts to box in. We got this, try to make that a little better. There we go. That's not a bad box for me. There we go.